151 grams, no controller, 4K 60 FPS video. This is the DJI Neo 2 and I took it to Costa Rica. Good morning from Costa Rica. I just woke up and of course I have to try the riskiest thing in the beginning, flying FPV with the Neo 2. I've got my DJI goggles 3, the FPV remote controller 3 and the Neo 2. And I guess this should work. Let's try. Let's see which video settings we can choose for FPV. So we go to manual mode and the resolution can go up to 4K 60. That's nice. Rocksteady is integrated. 4x3 also is possible. I'm just recording so I can't switch. White balance. That looks good. So I would just set the auto ISO limit to 400, shutter to 120, and then we are ready to go. First flight with the Neo 2 as an FPV drone. Let's go. Okay, you feel the power difference. It's really nice that you see all the surroundings. I don't know that from FPV drones. Not even from the Avata 2. Actually, the obstacle sensing is enabled. What? No, we have to turn that off. Obstacle avoidance here, off. So we go around here and try to fly through one of those gaps again. That's perfect. Going over the bar. And around here, Cindy is already staying here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And just going back. Okay, I don't know what's behind me, so I'm going just really slow. Awesome, now let's try some manual mode shots, which we have to unlock first as well. Oh, that's already way more fun. Like in normal mode, it feels super smooth, like Rocksteady would still be on, you know. It's just now here in manual mode, I feel a bit more stressed for sure. Oh, did you see those reflections? That was beautiful. I feel on this drone the difference between manual mode and normal mode is way bigger than on other drones, because normal mode stabilizes the drone so good and so precise. So with this drone I actually prefer normal mode for shots like this. And maybe we can go out here. Yeah, perfect. And below this, oh, that was close. That was not smooth. But I didn't see it until it was nearly too late. So going around here. That's fun though. Oh, through the cart. What's that doing here? And through here. Yo, that's funny. And Cindy again is waiting here. Woo! Hey, it's lots of fun to fly the Neo 2 as an FPV drone. With a new digital transceiver attached, the Neo 2 becomes a real FPV drone. It achieves a top speed of 60 meters a second in manual mode and 12 meters a second in sports mode. With full coverage propeller guards, you can fly through tight spaces without fear. And because it's ultra light, it really reacts instantly to your movements. A big upgrade is that we now have a dual axis gimbal. So we have way smoother FPV shots compared to the Neo first generation, which only had a single axis gimbal. Flying drones like this really reminds me why I started all of this, and that's also what I built Create Beyond for. Make sure to check it out down in the description. It's a place to connect with others, to reconnect with creativity and build your own creator business. One of my favorite things from the Neo first generation is here again, and it's even better and smarter. The Neo 2 now features multiple buttons to switch between modes, to change the mode settings, and to take off from the palm of your hand. So again, you don't even need a phone or controller. Just open your hand, press the button and the drone takes off. In the air, you can even control it with gestures. Unfold your hand and you can control the position of the drone, sideways and up and down. And by using both hands, you can move it further back or closer to you. The reaction time for this is impressively fast. The tracking is smoother too, and it can now see in every direction. So it has 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, one of my favorite upgrades. The Neo 2 again feels like a personal cameraman, just way smarter. Let's talk about the video quality, because this drone got a huge upgrade. It shoots up to 4K 100 FPS if you use a controller, or 4K 60 FPS if you don't use a controller. The sensor still is the same as the Neo first generation. It's a half-inch sensor, but DJI did some great software improvements, and maybe there's some better tech inside which delivers a way better video quality. So especially if you fly in daylight, you will get some nice results with this small thing. And thanks to the dual axis gimbal, you can really feel that you can get even smoother footage when it's a bit more windy. And that's important because this little thing can be sensitive to strong wind. There's also portrait optimization built in, so you will get natural skin tones right out of camera. Transferring photos and videos to your phone also is super fast now. It features 80 megabytes per second Wi-Fi transfer speeds. In my setup, I mostly filmed 4K 30 FPS or 60 FPS for the best balance between motion and quality. And then there's this Hitchcock effect. It's called the dolly zoom, so you can get a pretty nice effect just by pressing a button. It's built in. And modes like this feel like this is not just a beginner drone, it can also be a fun tool to play with for more experienced drone pilots. You just have to keep in mind the smaller sensor size, but the features of this drone, this is what makes it unique. Each battery gives you around 15 to up to 19 minutes flight time. So I would definitely recommend you to get the Fly More combo, where you get 3 batteries and a 3-way charging hub. And what's special about this is you can actually charge all 3 batteries sequentially at the same time. Neo 2 is also more stable in tricky conditions like flying over water, over reflective surfaces, but still it's not recommended to do this. It's recommended to use it over textured surface, so it's always easy to land, it's easy to navigate for the drone, and in these scenarios it worked really good. In my 2 weeks of traveling with this thing, it never crashed once. Within 2 weeks of traveling with this thing, it's never lost track and never clipped a branch or something. The body still measures around 16 centimeters across, and with the digital transceiver you will have a weight of around 160 grams. This means no registration needed in most countries. Make sure to do your research. And it fits in every bag, and sometimes even in your pocket if you have like bigger pockets. And yeah, that's also one thing that makes this drone really special. If you want to, you can also detach the prop guards, but I don't see no reason why for now. So after the Neo first generation, the Neo 2 also is a drone that grows with you. You can start just by taking off from your palm, and you can continue flying with a controller or your smartphone, and then even FPV with this thing. It's safe, fast and fun. So it's a drone that you can pick up as a beginner and probably find a new hobby. The monkey's here. Did you hear that? I hope it was a monkey though. Okay, if you like this video, make sure to follow to see more, leave a like, and happy to see your thoughts about this little thing in the comments. Happy flying!